Good morning, Red Lions, or afternoon, or evening, whenever you're watching this. Hope you're doing well. Let's start with our calendar. You ready? Let's do our months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. How many months? 12. What month is it? Newish month still, right? Yeah, it's May. What day is it today? What day is it? Monday. It's Monday. Today's Monday the 4th. Good job. Let's say the whole date. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. So if today is Monday, what was yesterday? Today's Monday. What was yesterday? Comes before Monday. Sunday. Good job. Because we go Sunday, Monday. What's tomorrow going to be? Tuesday. Good job. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay. What season is it? Spring. Good job. What's our weather like today? So for me, it's sunny today. All right. Move to the table. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and start with our coin song. Okay. We're going to talk more about money this week. So let's review our coins and their values. So we can talk about what we need to know next. You ready? Sing along. Now, pause it for a second. How many pennies does it take to make a dime? If a penny is 1 cent and a dime is 10, how many pennies to make a dime? 10. 10 pennies equals a dime. Good job. So, how many pennies make a quarter, do you think? 25. 25 pennies is the same as a quarter. How many pennies make a nickel? How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents, right? So 5 pennies make a nickel. So 5 pennies equal a nickel, 10 pennies equals a dime, and 25 pennies is the same as a quarter. Say it as you see it. Penny, right? There's the cent sign. All right, now I'm going to switch my screens. And we are going to do a game called Break the Bank. This is on ABC, yeah? So you can do this on your phone or on the computer or somewhere. It's a fun game to play. abcya.com. Oops, let me get. I'm gonna play the coin game. Remember that, George Washington? Oops, weird. All right, you ready to play the game? So it says click on the piggy bank to break it open. Gotta break it open. All right. So we have to sort these coins. I'm going to sort them. So this says how much? 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. So we got to figure out which coin is worth which value. So which one is worth 1 cent? A penny. Which one's worth 5 cents? A nickel. Which one's worth 10 cents? Good, a dime. And which one's worth 25 cents? A quarter. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a coin. You're going to shout into, well, not shout. Well, you can shout. Depends what your parents say. You can yell at the computer whether it's a penny and whether it's and what its value is, or if it's a nickel and what its value is, or a dime or a quarter. So you're going to say what coin I have, and then you're going to tell me how much it's worth. And then I got to hear you and sort it. You ready? I'm going to grab this one. All right, what is this one? Okay, and how much is it worth? Let's see. If you said it's a penny and it's worth 1 cent, let's see if you were right. Here's 1 cent. Woohoo! We got it. All right. What is this coin? Can you see it? Okay, it's a dime. Good job. How much is a dime worth? Let's see. 10 cents. I think it's 10 cents. Yeah! Woohoo! All right. What's this coin? Quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Is this a 25 cents? Is this 25 cents? Nope. Is this 25 cents? Is this 25 cents? Oh, shoot. It's a good thing I have you guys there at the screens telling me what to do. All right. What's this one? What's that called? This one right here. Okay. It's called a nickel. And how much is it worth? 10 cents? Oh. 1 cent? Oh. Oh, 5 cents. You're right. Awesome. All right. What's this one? A quarter. Where's it go? 25 cents. What's this one? Penny. How much is it worth? Beautiful. What's this one? Just a nickel worth 5 cents? Oh, is it a dime worth 10 cents? No. What is it? It's a quarter worth 25 cents. You're right. All right, what's this one? Oh, that's the same thing. What did you tell me it was? A quarter worth 25 cents. All right, I got 2 coins left. Yep, no, 3 coins left. Oh, there's a penny. Oh, I just gave you an answer. All right, 3 coins left. What's this one? It's a penny, which is worth 1 cent. All right, what's this one? What's this one? It's a quarter worth 25 cents. Is this 25? No, where's my 25? Oh, there's my 25. And last but not least, we have our penny worth what? 1 cent. Oops, what happened? We did it. We did it. Awesome. You did it. Woohoo! Good job today, guys. All right, so this is a game that you can play at home on your phone. Like I said, you can use it on the phone, you can use it on the computer. You can keep practicing it, or you can just take coins and say how much they're worth. Remember, a penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5 cents, a dime's worth 10 cents, and a quarter's worth 25 cents. All right, guys. Good practice, good lesson. Keep practicing. You could also draw like a P and write like this. Let me show you something real fast while I'm thinking about it. So another thing you can do to practice, if you don't have coins and you don't have anything access, you could draw coins that are represented like P for penny, N for nickel, a circle with a D for the dime, and a Q for quarter. And then you could write how much this one's worth 1 cent, this one's worth 5 cents, this one's worth 10 cents, this one's worth how much? 25 cents. So you could do something simple like that to practice too. Okay? All right, we will talk more about coins our next lesson. I miss you and I love you. Have a great rest of your day. Mwah. Bye, guys.